Alright guys, it will be a very short video. It's like a Visual Studio coding tips. Okay, so when it comes to a scenario when you want to say find a specific thing and you double click it, it will automatically find it and highlight it. And if you want to change the name, you might say, hey, I will type something. But if you type it, the rest of the variable will not change, even though it's highlighted. So how to do that? Pretty simple. Click and drag. So all the data that is just the same as the variable that you selected will be highlighted, even though it's like really down below. Right now, it doesn't really matter. I just put 3 here, so rest assured. And then, if you're in Windows, use Control Shift and L. Mac OS, just replace Control with Command. Command and Shift and L. And you can replace things, right? So you can say, hey, I don't want this. I want to William Jamin, something like that. And then William Jamin, voila, that's it. So Command Z, let me place it back. What about you don't want select all of it. You just select, the first 2. How to do that? You can add cursor for it. In order to add a cursor, if your Windows is Alt and click, if it is Mac OS is Option and click. So I'm going to show you right here, holding Option, click. So you got multiple cursors that are working. Okay, so even though you want like the 3rd cursor, you can do that. Of course, you can remove the cursor. You just Alt and click, and on the existing cursor. So click, cursor is gone. So this way, you can just simply replace the first 2 without changing the rest. So you can say William Jamin again. Okay, so only the first 2 will be changed. Let me just bring it back. So I'm going to replace the HK Manager dot step data. Okay, select everything. And what I'm going to do is to replace. So Command, Shift, and L. Replace, and I'm going to say, hey, I want to just use chart data for it. So chart data, and voila, everything is replaced and everything runs smoothly. Okay, hope this video helpful. Do please give me a thumb up if you think my video is helpful, and if you want to know more about programming, yeah, please subscribe. Thanks, bye.